So guys, any member maintaining YouTube channel a lot of times. So you're maintaining something in YouTube channel for the any changes are required in the web browser. So how we can enable the particular notification option? So in this purpose, any YouTube particular settings, the compulsory notification compulsory mandatory field, where in the YouTube channel, go to setting option for the web browser notification. Some people asking one question, sir, I got in lot of notifications. I got the notification. How we can disable that option? In this purpose, we have using for YouTube notification option. In this, get notification in this browser. If you want Chrome any notification required, you can enable it. If it is not required, disable this option. Same like that. Subscription, recommended video, activate on my channel, activate on my comments, replace on my comments, replace to my comments, mention, shared content. Everything will be particular notification enable particular browser option. This will be particular Chrome option. Any browser, same specification will be there if using Mozilla, any option. If it is not required, simple, disable it. So if I am disable this option, I can't enable or not. If I always enable this option, no worry about that. If anybody is required web browser notification, use this option on the particular things. So follow the instructions here. This will be anybody don't know this option, we can use this option. If anyone know this option, please ignore this video. If you want any related this information, please comment me. I'll make the video upload by our channels. So here we have to follow any kind of videos will be there. The option will be called skill2digital.com. You have to maintain the particular things are here. You follow the my channels in the particular website. We have maintained the two channels. One is called Skill2Digital. Second will be Digital Rakesh channels. You can maintain them to follow the videos. Everything require any kind of videos. Just comment me. I make the videos on the particular option. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share, comment of my videos. Subscribe anybody not subscribe our channels.